Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Happy English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Leela.
Hello, Leela. Hi, everyone. I'm Tom.
How are you today, Tom?
I'm great, thank you. I am very happy today.
Oh, why are you happy?
The sun is shining. I like sunny days. And you, Leela, how are you?
I am very good, thanks. I am also happy. I am excited.
Excited? Why?
Because of our topic today. It is a big topic.
Oh, a big topic. What is it?
Today, we talk about how to train your brain to speak in English.
Wow, that is a big topic. Train my brain?
Yes, train your brain, like exercise for your brain.
Exercise? Is it difficult?
No. It is not difficult. It is easy and it is fun.
Easy and fun. Okay, I am ready.
That's great. But wait, before we start.
Oh yes, before we start, everyone, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Yes, the little thumbs up button. Click, click, click.
And please subscribe to Happy English Channel.
Subscribing is very important. It helps us make more episodes for you.
And share this episode with your family and your friends.
Yes, share with everyone.
Okay, Tom, let's start.
Okay, I am ready. Train my brain.
So, when you speak English, what do you think?
What do I think? I think in my language.
Ah, yes, your first language.
Yes, I think a word in my language, then I translate in my head.
Yes, translate.
Then I speak the English word.
I understand. Many students do this, but it is slow.
Yes, it is very slow. My brain is, hard work?
It is hard work, and our goal, our big happy goal, is to think in English.
Think in English? Wow.
Yes, no translation, just English.
That sounds fast.
It is. It is fast. It is natural.
Okay, I want this. How do we start?
We start small.
Small?
Very small.
Like one word?
One word is good, but a small sentence is better.
A sentence? Oh, that sounds big.
No, very small. Look, I have a pen.
Yes, you have a pen.
In my head, I don't just think pen.
No?
No, I think this is my pen.
Ah, this is my pen.
Or my pen is blue.
Yes, exactly.
Good job, Tom.
Thank you. Okay, so small sentences in my head.
Yes, all day. It's easy. For example, in the morning, you wake up.
Okay, I wake up and stretch.
Yes, and what do you think?
I am awake.
Yes, perfect. Or I am hungry.
And I want coffee.
I go to the kitchen.
I open the door.
Yes, this is it.
Really? Is this training my brain?
Yes, you are thinking in English sentences.
Wow.
For instance, I brush my teeth. The water is cold. I see my face.
I am very handsome.
Okay, I like this tip.
Me too.
It is tip number 1. Think in small sentences.
When I'm at home, when I'm on the bus.
Yes, on the bus.
I see a window. I see a red car. A man is walking. It is a sunny day.
Wow, Tom, you are doing great.
I am thinking in English. It feels good.
Yes, it feels different but good.
You connect English to your life, not to your language.
Exactly. This is the big secret.
Okay, tip 1, small sentences.
Yes.
I am talking to Leela.
Leela is a good student.
Thank you. Okay, what is tip number 2?
Tip number 2 is input.
Input? What is input?
Input is English in.
Ah, English goes in my ears.
Yes, in your ears and in your eyes.
Listening?
Yes, listening.
Ah, like this podcast.
Yes, Tom, good idea. Like this podcast.
We are good input.
We are great input.
When you listen to easy English,
Yes, easy English, A1 level.
your brain hears the patterns.
Exactly. The sentences. I am, you are, he has.
Ah, the rhythm, the music of English.
Yes, what a good word, the music.
So listening helps my brain think.
Yes, it gives your brain food, English food.
I like English food.
Good.
So what do I listen to?
Well, Happy English Channel, of course.
Of course,
And simple songs.
songs, music. I like music.
Me too. Find simple English songs you like.
When I like the music, listening is fun.
Exactly. It is not work.
Ah, yes, fun is good. Learning must be fun.
Yes, some pop songs are very repetitive.
Repetitive?
The words again and again.
Yes, I love you, I love you.
Like a love song.
See? I know it.
Exactly.
Okay, simple music. What else?
Watching.
Watching? Input for my eyes.
Yes, watching videos.
Movies are good, but sometimes they are very fast.
Yes, too fast.
The words are fish, 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 fish.
Fish, fish, fish. Yes, I understand.
I watch and I'm lost.
So, find things you like to watch. What do you like, Tom?
I like cooking.
Perfect. Find simple cooking videos in English.
Oh, good idea.
The person says, I cut the tomato, I add salt. Then I connect the word and the action.
Exactly. Wow, that is a great tip. I like sports too. I like football.
Perfect. Find short videos about football.
He kicks the ball. It is a goal.
Exactly. Because you like it, it is not boring.
It is interesting and my brain is happy.
Yes, a happy brain learns more.
Okay, input.
Listen to simple podcasts and music and watch simple videos about things you like.
Cooking, sports, maybe travel.
Yes, travel videos are great. This is Paris. It is beautiful.
This is much better. Learning is fun now.
Yes, it feeds your brain.
Okay, tip 1, small sentences. Tip 2, input.
Are you ready for tip 3?
I am ready.
Tip 3 is output.
Output. Okay, input is English in, output is English out.
Yes, Tom, that's great.
Like speaking.
Exactly.
But Leela, I am alone. I have no one to talk to.
You have you. Speak to yourself.
Speak to myself.
Yes.
People will think I am crazy.
No. Do it in your room, in the car, in the shower.
In the shower? Okay.
It is a fantastic way to train.
But what do I say?
Look around your room.
Okay, my room.
Describe it. Speak out loud.
This is my room. I see a bed. The bed is big. I have a table. The table is brown.
Great job. Keep going.
I see 2 chairs. A lamp. The lamp is on.
Amazing.
I have a computer. My computer is black.
Wow, Tom, this is excellent.
It feels strange, but good.
How does your brain feel?
My brain is working. It is finding the words.
Yes, and you are not translating, right?
No, I see the bed. I say bed.
Exactly. This is training.
I like this.
And you can also talk about your day.
Yes, today I was happy. I ate pasta for lunch. I talked to Leela.
Leela is very smart.
Yes, Leela is very smart.
Thank you. Tom is very kind.
See, we are talking.
Yes, this is output.
So I don't need a partner.
A partner is good, very good, but you don't need one to start.
I can start alone.
Exactly.
Wow, this is a lot of good information.
Let's review.
Yes, review.
Tip 1. Think in small sentences all day.
I am walking. I am reading.
Tip 2. Input. Listen and watch things you like.
Podcasts like Happy English Channel.
Yes, simple songs and simple videos.
Tip 3. Output. Speak. Speak to myself.
Describe your room. Describe your day.
I like it.
Good.
But is it fast? Will my brain change tomorrow?
No, Tom. Learning a language is slow, but that is okay. Be patient.
Okay, I will be patient.
Be kind to your brain.
Hello, brain. I am kind.
Exactly.
How long should I study?
Every day, 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Not 2 hours?
If you have 2 hours, that's fine, but small daily practice is powerful.
Small steps.
Small steps every day.
And what if I make a mistake?
Great question. I say, I is happy. Oh no, I am happy.
Mistakes are good. Mistakes are normal.
Really?
Yes.
Mistakes mean you are learning. Hello everyone and welcome back to Happy English Channel, where learning English is easy, simple, and fun. I'm Leela, your teacher.
Hello, Leela. Hi, everyone. I'm Tom, your student, and I'm ready to learn English with you today.
That's wonderful, Tom. And today we have a very useful and very important topic.
Oh, I like important topics. What are we learning today?
Today we are talking about small talk in English.
Small talk?
Yes, small talk.
Ah, like talking about the weather?
Exactly. Talking about the weather, your day, your weekend, work, hobbies, simple conversations people have every day.
Oh, I understand. Small talk is everywhere.
Yes, it is everywhere. At work, at school, on the bus, in a cafe, at the airport, even in the elevator.
Wow. So if I want to sound natural in English, I need small talk.
Exactly right.
I'm excited already.
That's great. But before we start, we have a small request for everyone listening.
Yes, if you enjoy our podcast, please hit the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to Happy English YouTube channel.
Yes, subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends and family.
Your support helps us create more English lessons for you every week.
Okay, now I'm ready. Let's learn small talk.
Perfect. Let's begin.
First question, what exactly is small talk?
Small talk is a short, light, friendly conversation.
Light conversation?
Yes, not serious, not deep, just simple, friendly talking.
So not what is the meaning of life?
No, definitely not.
Good, that sounds difficult.
Small talk is more like, how are you? Nice weather today. What did you do this weekend?
Ah, easy and comfortable.
Exactly.
But why do people do small talk?
Because it helps people feel relaxed and comfortable.
So it's like opening the door to communication?
Perfectly said.
Thank you, I'm improving already.
Let's start with the easiest small talk topic.
Weather?
Yes, the king of small talk, weather.
Everybody talks about weather.
Because everyone understands it. You can say, nice weather today, isn't it? It's really hot today. It looks like it might rain. It's so cold this morning.
Very easy.
Exactly. And the answers are easy too. You can reply, yes, it's beautiful today. I know it's so hot. I prefer sunny days. I love this weather.
Let's practice. Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful. Perfect for a walk.
I agree. I love sunny days. My problem is starting conversations.
That's very common. Try these simple starters. Hi, how are you? How's your day going? What have you been up to? How are things?
I know these, but sometimes I stop after that.
That's why we need follow-up questions.
Oh yes, follow-up questions.
If someone says, I'm busy today, you can ask, oh, really? What are you working on?
Ah, just ask about what they said.
Exactly.
Let's try a real conversation. Hi, how are you?
I'm very good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. How's your day going?
Pretty good. I'm a little busy today.
Oh really? What are you doing today?
I'm preparing lessons for my students.
That sounds interesting.
Thank you. What about weekends?
Great topic. People often ask, how was your weekend? Did you do anything fun? What did you do yesterday?
How was your weekend?
It was great. I went to a cafe with my friends.
Nice. What did you order?
Coffee and chocolate cake.
Now I'm hungry.
Me too. Can food be small talk too?
Absolutely. You can ask, what did you have for lunch? Do you like cooking? What's your favorite food?
I only cook noodles.
That still counts.
Good. I am officially a chef now.
Congratulations. What about work?
Very common topic. You can ask, what do you do? How's work going? Are you busy these days?
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes, very much.
And hobbies?
Another perfect topic. What do you do in your free time? Do you have any hobbies? What do you like to do for fun?
I like music and football. Great! Hobbies make conversations easy.
Sometimes I don't know how to react.
Use simple reactions. Really? That's interesting. Wow! Nice! That's cool.
These are lifesavers.
Exactly.
Are there any topics we should avoid?
Yes. Politics, religion, money, very personal questions.
So I should not ask, how much money do you make?
Definitely not.
Sometimes I feel nervous speaking English.
That is normal. Remember, don't be afraid of mistakes. Speak simply, smile, practice often.
So mistakes are okay?
Mistakes are part of learning.
Let's do one final full conversation.
Perfect.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful today.
Did you do anything interesting this weekend?
Yes, I visited a park with my friends.
That sounds fun.
It was very relaxing.
By the way, do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
Me too. Maybe that's why we are good friends.
I think so too.
Well, it was really nice talking to you.
Same here.
Small talk is not about perfect English.
Exactly. It's about being friendly, relaxed, and interested in people.
Small talk is small but very powerful.
Beautifully said.
And for everyone listening, don't forget to subscribe to Happy English YouTube channel, hit the like button, and share this episode with your friends and family.
Your support helps us create more English lessons for you every week.
Keep practicing your English every day. Even small conversations help.
Because every simple hello can become a great conversation.
Thank you for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.